Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language of the Golf Blitz application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the home button down below, which is in the middle. Then click on the settings icon in the left side of the screen. Tap on the language button, and here you can find all of the available options. So if you want to change the default option, which is set to English, just simply click on the relevant one, and then the language of the application will be updated automatically, as you can see. So feel free to go back and change it back to any time you want to. So that's how you can update the language of the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.